A very good morning to you. It's great to have your company this Monday, the 13th day of September. My name is Jessica Remy. I'm a senior market analyst with Bell Direct. Just a friendly reminder that amid COVID-19 restrictions, we're bringing you audio updates for the time being. Once restrictions ease, we'll be back in the studio. So thanks for staying with us. Well, the New South Wales Queensland bubble reopens and Australia has developed a better lithium battery. But now let's go to overseas markets. Well, the major US indices were lower on Friday and across the week. The Dow Jones and the S&P 500 fell 0.8% on Friday. The Nasdaq fell even further than that. Over the week, US stocks fell about 1.6% for several reasons. Firstly, investors are worried about the spread of the Delta variant, which is slowing the economic recovery. And this is what's pushed commodities into a spin. This is all despite vaccination mandates being announced by US President Biden. The second concern for investors is that inflation, specifically US producer prices, rose a record 8.3% from a year ago. So that's the biggest rise in producer prices in 11 years. And this indicates that high inflation may be likely to stay from the pandemic supply chain concerns. Now, the third area of concern is that many analysts are thinking that US stocks are overvalued and could be due for a correction. This explains why a lot of investors are being quite conservative, taking profits from the market. Remember, September is traditionally the worst month for equities. And we do see markets strongly rebound in October, going by the history books. So this explains why investors on Friday backed conservative stocks, I guess, if you will, backing stay-home economy stocks like Peloton, and also an online dating company called Match Group, which just joined the S&P 500. Both stocks were the best performers on Friday. Now, as for what to watch locally today, well, firstly, the futures are suggesting that our market will follow Wall Street lower today and 4.4%. Perhaps one ray of light will be travel and tourism stocks, which could get a boost because Queensland and New South Wales border is reopening. As for other interesting developments, well, guess what? Monash Uni and CSIRO have developed a better lithium battery that could allow electric buses and trucks to travel from Melbourne to Sydney without even recharging. Now, the duo have said that this innovation could be ready in a decade and would also work in agricultural drones, where lithium batteries are really needed to be lightweight. So this is a huge international development, a massive innovation, and this will really cast lithium stocks into the spotlight again. So keep an eye on lithium majors like Orocobre, ORE, Pilbara Minerals, PLS, and small caps like Lake Resources, LKE, and Vulcan Energy, VUL. The second area to watch today, commodities. The oil prices rebounded 2% and it rose across the week, so a positive indication there. The nickel price has popped to a fresh 7-year high, while the precious safe haven metal gold has gone the other way, falling below $1,800 US an ounce. Why? Well, because the US dollar is strengthening, and it's worth mentioning that gold and the US dollar have got an inverse relationship. In other commodities, the iron ore price has fallen again. It's now at $133 US, getting pretty close to where some analysts think the iron ore price could bottom at $115 US before slowly rebounding. So keep an eye on that. The third area to watch today, companies going ex-dividend, which often sees stocks fall. Companies going ex-div today include HUB, Helios, HLS, and Chorus CNU. As for economic news to watch, there's plenty to be across that could move markets this week. The big news items will be business confidence data out tomorrow, Tuesday, consumer confidence out on Wednesday, unemployment data out on Thursday, with August data forecast to be weak. So all eyes will be on bank stocks, travel and tourism, which could be hit if the data is weaker than expected. Inversely, if the data is better than expected, we could see a rally. As for trading ideas that could be worth a look, here's a couple. Bell Potter put out a banking note this morning reiterating buy ratings for the three big banks, calling out CBA, ANZ, NAB as a buy, while Westpac, WBC is a hold. Elsewhere, Bell Potter called out S2 Resources, S2R is the ticker, as a speculative buy stock with a 18-cent target, implying 84% share price growth in a year. Now, S2 Resources, or SR2, is a junior gold explorer, and Pilbara dubbed its recent drilling WA results as quite outstanding. As for other trading ideas that could be worth a look, bullish charting signals have been seen in the cybersecurity company called Arctis, AR9 is their ticker, Mac7 Technology, M7T is their ticker, and Viva Energy, VVA. And that's according to Trading Central. I'm Jessica Ramir with Bell Direct. Stay safe. Happy trading.